Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I got a 2007 Jeep Compass, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the front right strut right here. Okay, first thing you want to do, take the tire off. It's a 19 millimeter. All right, they was tight, so I had to get the breaker bar on these. So I'm gonna just break them. I had a problem getting these off. I didn't really show you that. All right, take this 10 out right here, and then this one right here. All right, the vice grips, put them on the back of the sway bar link. So take that off, and try not to squish the boot up all crazy. Like, you know. You need a 15 socket. Loose. All right, now you want to take this nut off and this nut off. You need a 21 socket to do it. Okay, now we gotta come to the top and take this one out, that one out, and this one out over here. All right, now now before you take this last one all the way out, just grab the grab it. Grab the so it don't fall or damage no wires. All right. And I'll just get that out of there. And then, pretty much you just reverse the process to put it back in. And, I'm about to put the new one back in. So if you got anything out of that, like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.